Alright. So yeah, hi guys, today is July 24th and the update for today is I continued with time and work. Pipes assistant is completed. Time and work is continued. There are I guess 2 to 3 concept videos and almost 50 practice questions along with comprehension questions to finish in time and work. And apart from that I did 2 RCs and 2 LIDI set from Tooth and Lie. Even they were the basic ones today. And apart from that, yeah, I filled the XAT form. XAT is online. After CAT, there is XAT. So I want to get admission in IRMA, right? So there are three options: XAT, CAT, and CMAT. CMAT I won't give, but I'm planning to give XAT. So yeah, the registrations are open. You can also fill it if you want to. And yeah, almost most of my time today went in filling the XAT form, hence not as much study today. And yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.